Assigning colors to layer. Open 1B template that was created in article Creating a New Template. Select the Layer Properties tool. This opens the Layer Properties Manager dialog box. Click the white square in the color column of the layer 1. This opens the Select Color dialog box and you can choose any color you like. Select red color and click the OK button. Select layer 2 and set this layer to yellow. Select layer 3 and set this layer to green. Close the Layer Properties Manager dialog box. Save the drawing.